What's up guys, it's Hrithik here. Currently I'm at Jurong East Mall, which is shortly called GEM, and I'm starving right now. So I'm gonna eat some Thai food. Later on I'll go to a popular shop and then we'll start our Pomodoro technique. But before that, it's too noisy here. I can't explain how the Pomodoro works, so the studio Hrithik will explain. What's up guys, this is me Hrithik here. In this video I'm gonna talk about Pomodoro technique and a few apps which I use on a regular basis for studying. I'm making this video specifically because a follower on my Instagram requested me to make study vlogs. So if you want to watch any sort of videos, you can just comment down below or DM me on my Instagram at hrithikpandian_ and I'll try to make it. Whatever I'm speaking in this video is time coded and it's in the description. So feel free to skip through the video if you want to. A few weeks earlier, I was watching this video from Med School Insider. That's when I learnt about this technique called Pomodoro technique. This technique is basically your time schedule is split into 25-minute chunks with 5-minute breaks in between. Let's say you want to study for 2 hours. While using this technique, initially you will be splitting it into 25 minutes and 5 minutes. 25 minutes of super intensive focused work and 5 minutes of physical work or rest or leisure. After the 4 cycle finishes, you should take a long break of 20 minutes. So that's how a Pomodoro technique works. You can even modify it in your convenience. For me, I will use 50 minutes and 10 minutes. 50 minutes of super intensive work and 10 minutes of break. After the 4 cycles, or in this case 2 cycle ends, I will have a 30 minutes break in a way that it won't interrupt my focus, because when I'm in a flow state I don't want to be disturbed. That's why I will be having 50 minutes of super intensive work and 10 minutes of break. So why do you have to use this specific technique? So let's assume that you have a pile of work. There are 2 possibilities. 1, you will procrastinate and will never do it. 2, you will have a surge of motivation, or like you will be resenting every single minute of it and then you will get the work done. Let's say you're procrastinating and you don't have the motivation to even start, right? So you can trick your brain into thinking that you're gonna do only 25 minutes of work, and after you get the momentum, you can finish the work faster. That's why this technique is so effective. Normally, how do I use it? Firstly, I'll fix a task. Let's say I want to study for 2 hours and I will pick a subject. Let's assume economics. I want to study economics for 2 hours straight. So how do I measure? How do I gauge it? So I use an app called Flora, which can be found in App Store and Play Store. It's completely free. So it's basically a timer. You can use timer if you want to. If you want to be fancy, you can use this Flora app. So what this app does is it will set a stipulated time, let's say 25 minutes or 50 minutes, whichever you pick. There's a virtual plant on that app. If you quit the app or distract yourself and go to another app, that plant dies. You don't want that plant to die, right? Just a way to keep you doing the work and not distracted by your phone. In conclusion, I want to say that 25 minutes of work is not that much of a commitment to commit to, so you can try practicing this Pomodoro technique. I'm sorry. So secondly, I want to talk about the apps which I use on a daily basis for studying. Firstly, it's Notability, and secondly, it's Notion. Notability is not a free app, and I'm telling it upfront, but it's a $13 well spent. Trust me. There's an app called GoodNotes which is in par with Notability, but I've never tried it. But Notability gets the job done, so you can use Notability. This Notability have dividers and subjects. So for my entire year 1 of uni, what I'm doing is I'm splitting my notes into categories. Let's say Max, Econs, and Business Management in Global Context, which have separate folders, and in each folders we have lecture notes, my own notes, extra notes and guide materials and whatnot. So it's easy to segregate your notes, and you can use your Apple Pencil to write, and it's really seamless. I'm not flexing, just saying. And next up we have Notion. Notion is the productivity master app. If you're into productivity, you would definitely know what Notion is. This app have a lot of feature, and especially I love this feature called toggle. So there's a triangle option where you can have a topic, and inside the topic you can have subtopic which can be bulleted, or however you want. You can customize your page and have a productive system going on. I want to talk a lot about this app, but this one single video won't be enough for me to explain all that. So I'll make a separate video just for Notion alone. So stay tuned for that. Before that, you have to subscribe and get the notification bell icon ringing, and share this video to your friends. And make sure to like this video so the algorithm pushes my video to a lot more people so that they can be helped as well. Okay, see you guys in the next video. So if you want to know me personally, or like what's happening in my day-to-day life, you can follow me on Instagram at @RithikPandian_. See you.